You're so beautiful. Oh my God. Lauren, from the first time we met again for the last time, I knew there was something different about you. The immediate butterflies I got in my stomach should have been a sign of where this relationship was headed, but I wanted a little more time just to be safe. As time went on, and after 60+ days of seeing each other in a row, I knew I had to make you mine. May 2nd, 2018 was one of the best days of my life, a day when a nervous and anxious and sweaty boy asked you to be his girlfriend. From that day on, it's been nothing but laughs, happiness, and countless numbers of hours watching movies I should have seen but never have. Lauren, your personality is so genuine and your heart so full of love and peace. I look forward to taking care of it and you for as long as I live. I promise to cherish every moment we spend together and to never go to bed angry. I promise to keep God first in our marriage and to be the spiritual leader that you need me to be. I promise I will always get up in the middle of the night and check on scary sounds and to make sure that no spider on the floor could ever harm you. Most importantly of all, I promise to love you for the rest of my life and to always protect you and guide you. So here's to us, babe, and a lifetime spent together, living, laughing, and being present with each other every day for as long as we both live.
This is my bestest friend in the world, and she means the world to me. Very happy to say I feel okay passing her on for you. I wish you guys the best of happiness for the rest of your lives.
She was about 6 or 7. I remember standing in the kitchen, and she came up to me and she looked at me and she says, "Daddy, can I have a cookie?" And I'm like, "Of course you can." You know? And then she snatched that cookie up and she goes, "Yep, puppy dog eyes works every time." That's the kind of sense of humor she has, and I love that about her. And I would take care of that little girl for the rest of my life if I could. I knew one day someone would come along and want to take that job.
If I said that I didn't know it was you from the beginning, I would be lying. I knew from the first night we spent talking until 4 a.m., it was you. The way you immediately brought joy into my life, I knew it was something I never wanted to let go. You have the most pure heart and show me the most pure love. You always let me take the first sip, always open my door, always let me play my music, and always go out of your way to spend 5 minutes with me. And the best, you always scratch my back. These may sound like little things to you, but to me they are everything. You are more than anything I could have ever dreamed of. Your goofiness, your patience, and your big heart are only a few of the things that make you so special. You are one of a kind. I can't wait to start the most exciting, beautiful life with you. You're my best friend, and you will be the best husband and one day father. I am beyond blessed. I promise to love you forever.
I love you so much. I'm gonna love you forever. I promise. All my troubled waters rest assured, we were made for
With this ring,
With this ring,
I honor the promises of our vows.
I honor the promises of our vows.
This ring will be a reminder
This ring will be a reminder
of our vows and our love
of our vows and our love
for our God and each other
for our God and each other
until death do us part.
until death do us part.
With this ring,
With this ring,
I honor the promises of our vows.
I honor the promises of our vows.
This ring will be a reminder
This ring will be a reminder
of our vows and love
of our vows and love
for God and each other
for God and each other
until death do us part.
until death do us part.
Just watch me now. Just watch me. 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 I got the sun shining on my soul. Electric current down in my bones. So amazing. Got me shaking. Pay attention if you know.
First, I'd like to start by saying there's always that one time in everyone's life when they meet their soulmate, their forever partner, or their best friend. And 7 years ago, that happened for Parker when he met me. That one day always comes when they hit you with the "I have a girlfriend" line. And I'm like, oh geez, here we go again. But after meeting Lauren, I realized what an amazing, kind-hearted person she was, and she deserves one heck of a person. Fortunately for Parker, she found him first. I'd like to congratulate the both of y'all, and I'm really happy for the both of y'all, and I'm excited to see what your future holds. And instead of ending with the toast, I'd like everybody to stand as we call the hogs.
I found my shelter from the storm. I move my energy in perfect form. It's thunder rumbling, that real good loving. Don't get up. I forget I wasn't listening.
I had this idea in my head that when that happened, you know, when this boy came along and made his intentions known, and I had this thing in my head. I was like, okay, I'm going to take him aside. We're going to have a long talk. And, I'm going to tell him about how special my little girl is and all my long list of high expectations and how he didn't meet them and generally wasn't worthy of my daughter. But over the several years that I've known Parker, I've come to know that he's a great young man, good gentleman, a hard worker. I can see how much he loves Lauren and how happy he makes her. So when he came to my house one night and asked for my blessing, the only thing I said was, of course. So Parker and Lauren, I really admire you. I love and respect both of you, and I'm proud of you both. May God bless you with a lifetime of happiness.